Well, the design was the balloon would go inside and nothing would have like a little roof. But what are you doing here?
I need this.
Why?
What?
I don't know how we did it.
Why did I do it, or how did I do it?
Putting things on them and then the wood came into play.
Yeah.
People were throwing things at it. So.
Why did I do it? Because.
Yeah.
How did I do it? I just screwed it in. It's not that hard.
It's 20
Pretty
bucks.
simple.
Yeah, it was 20 bucks.
That's
great.
Simplicity and all. So this is button A, this is button B. Button A so this radio sends. So whenever I do anything on this, it sends it to a radio group, aka that number. Each number corresponds to an action, and so 0, which over here is button A. So if I press this,
why did we?
it turns left. 1, 2.
Yeah, we should.
How are you gonna stop it?
That's button 4.
And what's button 4?
Button 4 is. Let me see. Button 4 is when I shake it. Yeah.
Wheels.
We created a wheel defense with every wheel we could I could find in the buckets back there, and gluing them up, putting a bunch of tacks on them to give it some offense rather than just be a full defense. Wheels.
Let me see some of these wheels. Oh yeah, wow, that's wheel defense.
A lot of wheels.
That's some wheel defense, you get it? Real defense.
Okay, so his name is Wheelie Master 5000.
Okay.
Right? This is a pusher, so we're trying to like grab onto them with the spikes and then push them out of the ring. This is to try and counter most of the bots here because they have lots of high defenses, so we're trying to get over it. And we're building more of that. And also gonna try and add some defenses.
So you're very offensive at the moment.
Yes.
A bit too offensive. Probably need to fix that soon.
Yeah, maybe a bit more defense.
For sure.
Yeah.
So, this is my design for our battle bot, and I think I'm gonna win because I have spikes on each side, so no matter which way they come at me, I will be ready. And if you can see, I have spikes on each tire, so in case they get too close, they can get caught up. And this is the coup de grace, whatever that is. But I like this because you get to stab people.
That moves with a motor.
It moves. So you go like this, you click a button, and this will attack. So if they get close, this is basically my offense. This is more offensive defense, kind of. So you can attack and move, but it's mainly used for if they get too close. It'll kill them. But this is the best part because you get to move it with your commands. And that's pretty much it. I didn't really see it necessary to get like a scoop or anything because these are fine. The balloons, and then I've set my motors to go to top speed, so in case I need to push anyone out, I can just drive at them. So yeah, that's my motor, or that's my rover.
Nice. Your battle bot.
My battle bot. It's quite fun.
Where's the balloon gonna go? Right in the center?
Right on top.
Right on top.
2, 1, go!
That was a bit anticlimactic.
Oh god.
You're so big stuck.
No, never.
Bro, the wheels are sick.
Go, go, run, run, no, run!
What is that?
I'm stuck.
Get near me!
I'm out here.
Oh.
I can't stop it. I can't stop it. You're going to make a beeline.
Oh! You almost tipped
Eat
it.
the cardboard.
I feel bad.
Keep driving, Ruby, all right.
You're gonna puncture the cardboard.
I'm just drop!
Oh.
I'm trying!
Oh, Colby, you have an open shot, bro.
You turned!
Don't go for hours, Colby. Go for...
No! Wait.
Oh!
I'm running.
We're free. Sorry, don't go towards the line.
I'm just pushing you!
Wheel your ass.
12 seconds.
Sit and watch.
Mad scene
Pop
watch.
your balloon!
Here, go on, run straight out.
That's it. End the round.
No pop.
Okay, 2 minutes.
Colby, why didn't you attack them while they were trying to push us out? Hey,
Sorry, we have to pop your balloon here.
Game plan, pencil.
Pencil with tack.
Tack pencil. You guys need to use Wi-Fi.
Where's the hot glue?
It's radio signals.
Okay, so I don't know why I was
Yo, what's your halftime plan?
not die.
Not die. Okay, any additions being made during this timeout?
I don't know. More back speed.
More back speed.
Just
Just make it as fast as it can go. No, I'm just kidding.
We have two, but the other one doesn't even work.
What's your 2-minute plan, Colby?
Adding tax.
They're all adding tags.
Go back in.
Oh, you do?
But we can't win.
Okay, yeah, you get to go back in though. Yeah, for sure. Sabotage, right?
Basically.
Sabotage.
But hey, we won the actual competition, not this one. So yeah.
That's a scary looking pencil.
It's a tack pencil.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
oh my god.
It's going! Hey! It's going after me! Hey!
Oh my god.
That is a Mad Max bus.
Batman.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god.
Why are you going for them? That's gonna bomb. How is that not We're done.
Back up. No, wait, stay back up. Turn back into it.
Wrong way.
What are you doing, Eric? Oh my god.
It's very slow at turn.
They're out.
Yeah, there you go.
Here, we can
Go.
Straight on.
Don't even go after it! I'm holding him! No! Not me!
I'm trying, but it's not accurate.
You guys are
Turn back. No. I've broken it off. I don't know, but I'm grateful. Go, get out, go.
How is that not popping, dude? The pencil's literally touching.
Yeah, I think Hey, look at your defense, you covered the whole balloon.
We did this last time and you said nothing about it. Can someone turn that off, please?
We won. It happened. We are victorious.
Because I was controlling it, I want
The tactics worked.
Good job.
Where's your tactics?
Don't let darts, don't let
Your
darts.
cactus didn't even pop you.
Put it down!
There's the winning
Put it
one.
down! I want to pop it! I want to pop it.
Who's survived?
Get it back! I want to pop it!
He's in donut.
Pop my balloon. It was literally like pushing on it and didn't pop.
Bad idea.
For the end of the round. No, Eric, that's dangerous.
Okay, guys, come on.
Cool.
You can't mid-round like put a gigantic.
Stop.
That's